everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about one setting to change if you're somebody who likes to take a lot of selfies. And even if you don't take a lot of selfies, you're not a professional, this is also still one setting to change, and it may be something more or less on my side of things when it comes down to pet peeves, but let me just show you what it looks like if you don't change this setting. So here's just a selfie I took just a few minutes ago. Now when you take a look at everything, it kind of is just not that great. It's, at least for me, distracting. It's one of the things where if I look on Instagram or Twitter, Facebook, whatever the place, and if I'm looking at images and I know that they're inverted, I'm looking at everything where they're all just spelt backwards. If you're wearing a Nike's t-shirt, if you're wearing a Chiefs or Royals t-shirt, if you're really doing whatever, wherever, whichever location you're at, and everything is just backwards. For me, it's distracting and it just brings down the quality of the image. So by changing one setting, it'll automatically make it look like this. So when you take a look at this picture, you're not looking in the background, you're not taking a look at trying to figure out what this says or what this says and noticing that it's backwards, it's reversed. You're just basically taking a look at this handsome fella right here and looking at them beautiful eyes because there's nothing distracting in the background. So in order to fix this and have it done automatically for you rather than editing photos afterwards, is just by going inside of your settings of the camera. And what you want to do is just scroll down to where it says underneath the selfies category, save selfies as previewed. So as you preview them, it may be in reverse because you're taking a photo with a lens. So all you'd have to do is if you turn this off, then you're able to get that better image. So right out of the box, this one is turned on, which means that if you're to take a photo out of the box, you're going to get this type of quality image. Then what you would have to do is go into your settings of editing. You want to go to this little revert button, and then now it's going to be literally doing exactly what we want it to do. But you want it to just be done instantly the moment you take a photo. So that is really all you would have to do is go inside of that camera settings, make sure you turn off selfies as previewed, and when you have this one turned off, then you're going to come through with non-distracting beautiful photos. But I hope you guys have appreciated this quick little tip. It may be just something for me, it's a little pet peeve, it's something that bothers me. I get distracted pretty easily. I notice things in pretty much every single photo and movie, so this is just a way that you'd be able to have them awesome Instagram photos. But if you guys appreciated it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe right over here on the very bottom left hand side, and if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air.